Remember guys, safe lane filtering is always good. Don't bother with this fast thing, speeding through the traffic and all them things there. Do it slow and safe. Slow and safe. Woo! When you see a pedestrian crossing, always cover your brakes, slow down, look, go. The bus want to come out, so I know that the cameraman they more than likely might want to push out to let the bus in. So you have to sound them up. Oh, big bike. Mom, me give Brandon this something, you know. Yeah. Eh? No work. Time for you stop take bus, you know. Yeah. Either you get one of this or you get one of that. Alright. Always look at sucker them one. Woohoo! Lock up the back wheel. Alright, slow and steady guys, slow and steady Windows race. Slow and steady, woo! Slow and steady wins race, bro! Alright, we're gonna need this entry point. Woo! And we wiggle through it here. Yeah, we can. Oh my god, like, oh my god. Y'all always blocking the road, man, like, oh my god. Slow and steady. What time do we have on the clock, bro? 15 minutes. Watch the Mark X. Bar X. What the frick is going on? Okay, so I guess he's teasing the dude behind him. I dude behind him, I will look for the arm and I say, yo, get the frick out the way, bro. Okay, I'm gonna take it inside like this. Then I'm gonna go through like this. Then I'm gonna go through like woo, then like woo, like a do, like a do. Woo! Red light up ahead, so we start slowing down. Hey, 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 hey. Look down that lane. Woo, woo. Woo, I'm a leader. You gotta look out for people. How to look out for people? Look for their heads. If they're tall, look for heads. Also look for cars slowing down when it's a freaking green light, yo. Like, that shit ain't normal, man. Ain't normal. Cover your horn. Yellow light up ahead, so you know the traffic will slow down. Cover your brake. You're down. Coast to the stoplight like a boss. Look at the sexy girls, yeah. Look at the sexy Jamaican girls. My dude, I'm vlogging, bro. Why you disturbing me, man? Yeah. Where the sexy girls at, y'all? Where the sexy girls at? Ooh, okay. Run, nigga, run! Run, nigga! Okay. Oh. Don't move, don't move, don't move, please. Let me just squeeze through. Gotta use up your horn, man. Cause these drivers, they will crush you, bro. Oh, there's a bicycle guy out there in the traffic, man. Come on, come on, guys. Don't do this shit, man. Y'all really gonna block me in like that, man? Y'all really gonna block me in like that? Man, that's BJ. But they have vlog of me, I say, bicycle man, I go through traffic. That's not one. And stuff like that. We are good people, you know, good boys. Screw. If you're measured down, trust you, I'm going to shoot you. Why the frick me come around here, so? Cause I think him a go, so that's why. You gotta think ahead, bro. Oh, shit, dude. Woo. Girl, you look good. Yeah, take it. Go, 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 go. Take it, bro. Why you afraid? What the fuck, my nigga? You afraid of what the? Hey, my nigga. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. What the fuck? Hey. Stopping in the middle of the road, you gotta be careful, bro. That's a man. I'm not sure. I get that, I get that, I get that. Go on, take it. We all aren't bad riders, are we? Bikers, that is. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it, yeah. My bag, yeah. My nigga, you ain't gotta press your horn, man. I'm a biker. I take the lane, inside lane, bro. Freaking hell wrong with you? You pressing your horn like I give a damn. Oh my God, what kind of crisscross lane switching did you? Woo! It's a nice morning, bro. It's a really nice morning. Pretty girl over there, you know. We always look at the pretty girls, yeah. Yay! Every time when we see a space form in the traffic, I sound my hand, because I just feel like the vehicle when they're right there, they go into that space if you get ahead. So I just, you know, you just have to play the thing smart, just like with the van man down there. So I see my turn left, you know, so I make sure I go right. I end up block myself in a little bit. Oh my God! Bye guys! Shoot.